What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have one of our rim sets. This is one of our wide body rim sets, and this is VZN 10791. Now guys, we do go out of stock on this wheel a lot, so if it's out of stock whenever you go check the Vicrez website and you're wanting to purchase some, just note that we might be restocking it soon. So always check back for more updates, or just subscribe to our notification letter to get notifications whenever we restock items. Now guys, just like most of our rims, they come very well protected. You'll have this top cardboard cover that protects the face and the edges of your rim. And then we also send it in this plastic bag to prevent any dust or debris from clinging onto it or any scratching from happening. Then we also have this plastic casing all the way around the front edge to prevent any nicks or dings on the entire edge. Then we also have a felt liner as well as a bit of foam to make sure that no damage occurs to the face of it. Now this felt liner is also reusable, so if you still have your stock rims, you can go ahead and throw this on them to protect them if need be. Now we can finally get a look at this rim, and it's also one of our matte black look rims. We also have some rims in silver and several different other colors. You can also get 3-piece rim sets on our Vicrez website if you'd like to check those out too. Now, this is one of our 5-spoke rims, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have several different options for how many spokes you can have, but not for this one. Now, it also does come with a Vicrez center cap, which we have in several different colors. If you'd like to notify us during your checkout that you would like it swapped out, if you're trying to go for a certain build theme, then we could do that for you. Just let our customer service team know whenever you're checking out. As for the sizing, if I pull the box back up here, we can show you guys. Now for the sizing, it's a 20-inch rim, 20 by 11, and the camber is 71.6. The bolt pattern is 5 by 115, and the offset is negative 2.5 degrees. And of course, it's in our matte black look. Now guys, if you want to see more videos just like this one, go make sure to check out our YouTube channel at vicrez.com, and make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button to get notified whenever we post more videos just like this one.